So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for inspection and quality control in manufacturing. Week 3rd, assignment 3rd. So the first question is, in acoustic emission inspection, the amplitude of the acoustic emission signal increased due to. So these are the option, and the answer for our first question is A, mechanically induced twinning. And now let's go to our question number 2. In the analysis of acoustic emission signals from a loaded structure, the statement that correctly identifies the characteristics of a desired signal. So these are the option, and the answer for our second question is C. And now let's go to our question number 3. Identify the incorrect statement about gamma radiation used in radiography testing. So these are the option, and the answer for our third question is B. Their degree of penetration depends on their energy, but not the matter they are traveling through. And now let's go to our question number 4. The emulsion layer of radiographic film used in radiography inspection consists of. So these are the option, and the answer for our fourth question is D. AGCL. And now let's go to our question number 5. What is the acceptable leakage of gas from pipelines? So these are the option, and the answer for our fifth question is A. And now let's go to our question number 6. Which of the following combinations correctly describes the essential properties of a radioisotope used for detecting leaks in a closed piping system? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is D. A short half-life and a gamma emitter. And now let's go to our question number 7. Focusing lenses of thermographic IR cameras are made of. So these are the option, and the answer for our seventh question is B. Germanium. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which of the following inspection techniques uses internal excitation to perform the inspection? So these are the option, and the answer for our eighth question is A. Vibrothermography using a vibration source. And now let's go to our question number 9. What is iris in non-destructive inspection? So these are the option, and the answer for our ninth question is D. Internal rotary inspection system. Now let's go to our question number 10. Collimation ratio of neutron radiography facility is defined as dash. So where L is equal to distance between the incident aperture of the collimator and the imaging plane, and D is equal to diameter of the entrance aperture. So these are the option, and the answer for our 10th question is C, L by D. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.